I've taken 12 different crypto courses. Most are just YouTube videos repackaged, but there's one course that actually gets you into the same market Goldman Sachs uses. Here's why Decentralized Masters leaves the competition in the dust. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's go for it. Alright, guys, so this is the landing page for Decentralized Masters. The link for this will be in the video description. They offer a structured pathway into the world of decentralized finance, with pricing that ranges from $47 all the way up to $70,000. This wide range of tiers caters to every stage of your journey, whether you're just starting to move beyond traditional banking or you're looking for advanced wealth preservation strategies. By matching the cost to your knowledge level and financial goals, the program makes sure participants only pay for the education and mentorship they really need. Nothing more, nothing less, right? So the investment case really highlights its accessibility and value. At just a fraction of the cost of a traditional university finance degree, and often even less than what many traders spend or lose on a single meme coin, Decentralized Masters, guys, is really standing out as a practical alternative. Plus, flexible payment plans make it even more accessible for those who are serious about growing. So this program is more than just a course, guys. Participants get personal one-on-one mentoring that's valued at $500 per hour, plus a weekly live call with more than 35 professional analysts. Membership also gives you access to a private investment circle, providing direct exposure to institutional-grade research that retail investors usually can't get. The ROI potential is really highlighted by members reporting 5 to 10 times gains on their portfolios, plus early access to tokens before they make those 100 to 1,000 times moves in the crypto space. One standout example is a coin that delivered a crazy 1,150 times return on the native markets, which just shows how a single opportunity can pay for a lifetime of membership. That's the power of Decentralized Masters, guys. Now, what's included actually goes even further. You get lifetime updates, ongoing strategies, a full education platform, and access to hedge fund level research. So, the cost of not joining is just as obvious. You miss out on the key gains from the 2025 bull run, stay stuck with traditional banking, and watch inflation eat away at your wealth while the crypto markets take off. These are exactly the things you want to avoid. So you want to seize and make the most of opportunities that'll help you get more profit from all your investments, instead of just second-guessing whether what you're doing will be profitable or not, right? It's always good to learn from the very best. So guys, I strongly suggest you go check out their website. That way, you'll be able to check out everything you need to make informed decisions, and of course, I'll be putting their link tree in the video description. So you can just click on it, it'll bring you straight here, and you have all the special links, all the important links you need. Just click and you'll be taken directly to the right website. And of course, you also need to make sure you're following all their social media platforms. That way, whenever they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and everything about the project, you'll always be in the loop, alright? So guys, most people get stuck chasing the hype, while institutions quietly snap up the real opportunities. Now, Decentralized Masters gives you direct access, mentorship, and a research edge so you can finally invest like the pros. So go ahead and check out the links below, and see for yourself if you're ready to level up. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll always get notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see everyone in the next one. I'm out. Peace.